Hey guys, I make weird videos here, and today we are going to be reviewing something. It is the Mater truck. I got this for my birthday. I was turning 7, but since it's almost January, I'm turning 9, so this was about 2 years ago. So you can see it can move. It had a motor thing right here that could fit right in here, but I have no idea what it is. So just a quick little review. So bye, happy holidays.